In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the payout account from your Facebook page in just a few simple steps. The first step is to access your Facebook payout settings. To do this, open up your web browser and go to business.facebook.com. This link will take you directly to the Meta Business Suite where you can manage all aspects of your Facebook page and business accounts. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed in with the correct account credentials. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different tools for managing your page. From here, click on Settings to continue. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice different sections such as Business Info, Users, and Accounts. To find the payout information, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Billing and Payment, and then click on it. This will open a new tab where you can view and manage your billing preferences. Within this page, look for the option called Payment Methods. Here, you will see a list of all the payout accounts and payment methods currently linked to your business profile. Now, if you want to remove a payout account, simply select the one you no longer want to use and click on the Remove button. Facebook will confirm your action, and once you approve it, the payout account will be unlinked from your business page. And that's all it takes. Thank you for watching this video.